Welcome to the online 4-H Record Book Workshop. My name is Callie Peak, and I am the 4-H Program Representative for Inyo and Mono counties. I will be doing a series of online workshops to help you complete your record book for club and county level judging. In Episode 1, we will cover where to find your record book forms, the materials you will need, the purpose of record books, and a special note to you parents. While record books are not mandatory for participation in the 4-H program, they are required for achievement awards like star ranking, for earning year pins and stripes, and for participation in our local fair's junior livestock show. The record book is for 4-H members that are ages 9 and older. They are due at the end of the program year to your club leader. Record books are first judged at the club level, and any books receiving a gold seal qualify to county level judging. Following the instructions in these workshops will help you to be successful in both your club and county level contests. The current record book forms can be found on our local 4-H website, on the California State 4-H website, and at the 4-H office in the hallway or lobby. Please be sure to use the current record book forms with the correct program year in the heading of the document. The materials you need to complete your record book are this year's current forms, notes that you have from each community club meeting you attended, notes from the project meetings that you've attended, and a calendar where you keep important dates and events. Everyone always asks, why do we have to keep record books? And it's really simple. It's a good skill to have. Businesses benefit from good records kept by both employers and employees. Even home gardens benefit from records on when you planted and when you harvested. Record books help you to plan your future and to set goals. You have the ability to look back on past records to see growth or changes you have made. They help you to find your spark or what you enjoy doing. Our 4-H record book can act as sort of a scrapbook, a place to keep your accomplishments over your 4-H career. And my note to you parents, especially with their first record book, your child will need a lot of help. But please remember, it's their book. It doesn't have to be perfect. It should be a reflection of what they have learned and what they have done as a 4-H member this year. When my kids were younger, they hand wrote their first draft, and I would type it. As they've gotten older, they've taken over more and more, and now I mostly proofread. I do help type when they get behind, which we all do. We all procrastinate. Record books do not have to be typed, especially this year with no access to library computers. If you're using your child's school computer, please be sure to do a test print early on to make sure that you can connect to your printer.